March is Colon Cancer Awareness Month, a disease that's the leading cause of cancer deaths in both men and women throughout the country. But for years, one Hampton Roads doctor has shined a light on this issue. Only on 3, reporter Zach Dahlheimer spoke with him and with cameras rolling, even got to surprise him with some news.
It's very special being a doctor.
Dr. Bruce Waltholtz has practiced more than 30 years in Hampton Roads as a gastroenterologist.
There's nothing more distressing than to be doing a colonoscopy. The lights are down, you hear the monitor going, and you see a mass within the colon. And you know that that patient's life has been changed forever.
20 years have been volunteering with the American Cancer Society, raising awareness of colorectal cancer on a local, statewide, and national level.
You're impacting the life and families of people you will never meet. And that is really the neatest thing.
Especially in a year where he says the pandemic has impacted screenings.
There were screenings that didn't happen. Prevention is so very important. Teach people to teach other people, because that's how we're really going to make a big difference.
He is a very fine gentleman.
Chesapeake Police Chief Kelvin Wright has been a patient of Waltholtz for 15 years.
Join us today in making a healthier community.
The two spearheading a campaign involving police chiefs across the 7 cities speaking up about the disease.
This was right at about the same time of Chadwick Boseman's death. I know of some people who have had the struggle with colorectal cancer as well.
The hope that we can get our first responders, our police officers, to not just talk about community health wearing seatbelts, but community health in a way that we normally wouldn't think them, talking about colons.
And after years of giving,
we have a bit of a surprise for him.
ACS is giving back.
Our greatest volunteer award nationwide is our National Volunteer Leadership Award. And it's essentially our National Volunteer of the Year.
I am speechless. I'm usually not speechless. I'm speechless. It's truly an honor. Wow.
Whether it is assembling the 7 police chiefs to get the word out about colorectal screening, to walking the halls of the U.S. Congress or the Virginia State House to pass legislation to ensure that everybody has access to quality care. He is an example of what a great volunteer is.
They hope more volunteers will sign up to the task and share Dr. Waltholtz's mission.
Let's work together to save lives.
Zach Dahlheimer, News 3.